So let us start with addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Adding and subtracting two or more algebraic expression must follow some of the rules that are given below. The first rule is only like terms can be added or subtracted. So the first criteria for any algebraic expression which needs to be added or subtracted is they have to be like terms. Then the sum of two or more like terms is the sum of the numerical coefficient of like terms, which means what? If I have, for example, 2x plus 3x, they are like terms. So it says it is the sum of the numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient, that is 2 and 3, is equal to 5x. In the same way, the difference of two or more like term is the difference of the numerical coefficient. Say for example, I have 5y minus 3y. They are like terms. Numerical coefficient means 5 minus 3 is equal to 2y is the answer for the difference of two or more like terms. Now, how do we add a given expression? Like we have 6xy minus 2xy 10xy. So we have written. Now we see that all of the expressions here or the terms here have xy. So they are like terms. We write xy is common to all of these terms. So we write outside the bracket, and all the numerical coefficient, that is 6 minus 2 plus 10, is being written inside the bracket. So we solve it. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 10 is equal to 14. So 14xy is the answer. Now let us start with the exercise question. Exercise 8.1, question number 1, first part. It says add the following, and this is 1 expression, this is 2 expression and 3 expression. So we write the first expression with a plus sign because the question says to add. Then we write the second expression with a plus sign, and then the third. And then we open the bracket. A minus b minus bc. Plus into plus is a plus, so plus bc. Plus into minus is a minus, so minus ca. Then plus into plus is plus ca, and plus into minus is minus, so minus ab. Now after opening the bracket, we need to collect the like terms. So let us identify the like terms. ab here and minus ab here, it's written together. So I have written AB and minus AB together because they are like terms. Then we have the next term is minus BC and plus BC. So I collect minus BC and plus BC together. And then we have minus CA and plus CA. So we write minus CA and plus CA together because they are like terms. Now we see that this is plus AB and this is minus AB. So the coefficient here is 1. So plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. That is why this has been cancelled. So this becomes equal to 0. Similarly, this becomes equal to 0. And this also becomes equal to 0 because they have the numerical coefficient same with the opposite sign. So that is why it has been cancelled. And 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 is the answer. A minus B plus AB, one expression. B minus C plus BC, second expression. And the third expression is C minus A plus AC. So I have written first expression with a plus sign, then the second expression, and then the third expression. Then the bracket is open. So when we open the bracket, we get A minus B plus AB. There is a plus sign in front of this bracket. So when plus is multiplied to plus, we get a plus. When plus is multiplied with minus, we get minus. And again, when plus is multiplied with a plus, we get a plus. In the same way here also we get plus C minus A plus AC. Then we collect the like terms. We have A here and minus A here written together. Then we have minus B and plus B again written together. Then we have minus C and plus C are like terms, that is also written together. Whereas AB plus BC and plus AC don't have any like terms, so it has been written like this. Now we see that plus A minus A is equal to 0, minus B plus B is equal to 0, minus C plus C is also equal to 0, because the sum of the numerical coefficient of these, that is plus 1 and minus 1, is 0, plus 1 and minus 1 is 0, and plus 1 minus 1 is also 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is also 0, and 0 added to all this number is the same number, that is AB plus BC plus AC is the answer for the second one. Third question is 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4, and the next expression is 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. Now first term plus sign, second term, and now in the next step we open the bracket as it is visible. We have simply opened the bracket, and after opening the bracket we have to collect the like terms. To collect the like terms, it is important that we identify the like terms. So we have p square here, we have p square here also. This is q square and so is this q square, which means 2p square q square minus 3p square q square are like terms and it can be solved together. The next set of like terms is, this is p here, and with q here, which means that minus 3pq plus 7pq are like terms which can be solved together. And then we have a 4 plus 5, these are numbers, so that is why we have written it together, so we can solve this. Now 2 minus 3 is minus 1 or minus p square q square, minus 3 plus 7 is plus 4pq, and 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So this is the answer for question number 3. The fourth part of question number 1 is L square m square n square L square and 2lm 2mn plus 2nl. So we have written all the expression with a plus sign, and then we open the brackets. After opening the brackets, now we have to collect the like terms. We see that there is L square here, so written together. Then we see that we have m square written together, and also we have n square and n square, which is also written together. And in the other parts of the expression, that is 2lm, 2mn and 2nl, there is no like term to these terms. Now after this we simplify. L square plus L square is 2L square, m square plus m square is 2m square, n square plus n square is 2n square, and then 2lm, 2mn, 2nl written as it is. Now we also see that 2 is common throughout the expression. All of the terms have 2 in them. So we can write 2 outside the bracket and the whole expression inside. This is also one way of writing an expression, because 2 is common, so we can write 2 outside and the remaining part inside the bracket. And this is how we get the answer for the fourth question